Subscribe to the Honor Family. If you love content like this.
We are the Honor Family.
I'm sorry.
I like your light, but I wonder would you light up mine? I've been feeling shine away from who I really am. What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. Another room. Stop playing. Look at the girls. Hey, not that Betty. Hey, not that Betty. Hi, not that Betty. Hi, not that Betty. Where you go, bang? Where you go, bang? Where did it go, bang? Where did it go, bang? Where did it go, bang? Okay, I'm stop playing.
Hi, you guys. Welcome back. Where are we, babe?
In our new house.
You guys, this is our room. Oh my God.
Say hey, Johnny. Say hey.
Say you like our room? Yeah. So welcome back, you guys. We are staying tonight at the new house. We are not currently all the way moved in yet, but we will be soon. I know we keep telling you guys, but things are just keep on coming up. It has to be fixed and things like that. So other than that, we will be in this house less than like a week or two, maybe like a week, I would say. But anyways, we just came here for a night to see how it is, and so far I'm having so much fun. I'm just sitting here just chilling, relaxing. I'm still having fun because it's just like a whole new
Process.
level and process. So I'm still just, looking at it, whatever. So yeah, yes, my love. Daddy, I see your hair. It's pretty. It's pretty. Show you so.
You pretty.
So yeah, this is our bed, which is like a little fabric with like little diamonds in it. This is our headboard. I'm so happy we have a headboard. And I can set, like you see Zayr's phone and stuff is up here. We can set stuff up here. I just hope this thing don't shake and his phone falls on my head. On my head. But yeah. And then at the end of the bed, we have
Out there, y'all probably can't see it, but it's dusty. But I left the window open right quick for y'all. Still can't see it.
It's dirty.
Yeah, you still can't see it, but y'all can see it a little bit. But
it's a screen right here, you guys. So if the kids look out the window, it's very safe that they can't hurt themselves or nothing. It's a screen. And you guys, look how beautiful. I love these.
yeah, we gotta show y'all that. Hold on, let me get back some. Look at that.
I love these, guys. These are our new curtain rods, and they're so pretty. And we have black curtains, which matches our. Excuse me. May I help you? You're so nosy. You're nosy. Anyway, so yeah, these are so pretty. I love these. And we have a lot of. Man, there's a spider right here.
I'm gonna get it out.
Okay. I know that we just moved in, so we're probably gonna see those like everywhere in Little Wear, because this is like no one lived in this house in a while, so it's practically new. And I want to show you it outside, but it's really, really cold out there. Oh my gosh, I really want to show you. But right there is a window. Yes, it's up high where the kids can't reach it. And right here is, well, it was where baby Kay was going to sleep, but she went out there and slept. So this is probably where I might lay Journey. I'm not sure right now exactly. They have a few toys here so far. You guys, look at the bed. So this is like the bottom. Okay, well, it's like a fabric that like just lifts up and you can put stuff underneath the bed, which is so awesome, you guys. And I love how the beds are. They have flowers on them. Look at that. A rose is so pretty. And yeah, this is what our bed headboard looks like. I'm obsessed, you guys. I'm obsessed. I got my Premiere. This is where our PlayStations are right here, you guys. That's dirty clothes. And this is our vent. Look how weird this is. I've never seen a vent like this before. But that's a vent. And I'm loving how the walls looks with like the little cracks in them.
What's up, y'all?
Hi, Zaire.
I just
Got it.
Yeah, got it.
Thank you. Oh, look how pretty the light is. I have so many ideas for this room. So we're gonna keep our, let me show y'all. We're gonna keep our bed where it is right here, where you enter the room from here. And the kitchen is right there. And you enter our room right here. We are gonna keep our bed right here because I feel like it'll be a perfect fit. And then we will get the TV on the wall right here. And then underneath it, we're gonna get a dresser to put right there. And then over here, I'm gonna have Baby Kate and Journey's bed, and Ray will be sleeping with me and Daddy. And somewhere over here is where I'm gonna have my game set up at. And then I think we're gonna have like a little closet thing, so we gotta figure out where we're gonna put that at.
Yeah.
But I wanna show y'all the outside real quick. I know it's super, super cold out, but let's give it a go. Mind you guys, this is a back door that leads to the outside backyard, you guys. This is so cool. It's in our room. Actually, let me, I'm scared. Oh my God, it's so pretty, y'all. I cannot wait to get some chair. Oh, they can see us right here. I'm not gonna go on. Okay, oh, okay. Anyways, so this is the backyard, and that's the window to the kitchen, window to the basement. Remind you guys, we do have neighbors, and that's kind of scary, but yeah, so that's it. Sorry, come on. I don't want nobody to see that. But anyways, I would go out there, but it's a little too cold. So yeah, anyways, that's what we're doing tonight, you guys. This is gonna be a fun video. I don't know what she's doing. She done took everything off the top of the bed, and I don't know where she done placed everything at. Why are you messing with everything on this bed? And why you got this sticker on your head?
What's say? What's say? Stop it.
Then you gonna sleep right there tonight? You wanna sleep there? You wanna sleep here? Okay. So I thought that Zaire would sit right here and have his TV right here with a PlayStation, and he just play the game, just lean back and play while Mama is in the bed watching him. Cheeto shirt.
Yummy cheese.
Anyways, this is a good video.
But yeah, like I hope y'all guys out there having a motivational day. Going through the life as the world, y'all know it. Keep on being blessed. Keep on following your dreams no matter what the circumstances is, because you are a great, 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 great human being at the end of the day. No matter what you are in life, if you up and you down, it's always a moment you can pick yourself up. You can go skyrocketing.
You definitely can. I love it. That was beautiful, babe. Excuse me. Oh, I want to show y'all our blanket. Let's get these fixed. The refrigerator, because we're stacked on water tonight, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all this. We have a bear, a deer, and I'm pretty sure a moose right there. So this side is my side right here, and the bear side is Zaire's side. How you like this?
I love it.
I love it too. I'm so excited, y'all. I just can't wait. Babe's over here just doing her own thing. I can't wait to get the TVs in here, our pictures hung up. And that's why I think I want our little name signs. I think I want them right here.
Yeah.
You know, the butterflies and the heart and star? I want them right there. And then our dream catcher. But yeah, we're gonna get LED lights and everything, y'all.
Yeah, built all around.
And it's gonna, I feel like it's gonna be way easier for this ceiling because the other room, the ceiling's higher. I feel like it, so it's kind of a little lower. But yeah, you guys, with that being said, I'm so grateful and thankful for this room. It is, I think it's more wider than our other room is, but it's a little shorter. But it's okay because I'm still grateful no matter what.
Yeah.
So it's okay. And then we got baby over here. What you doing, Ma? Recording yourself? So right here. So it's his sister's room. The living room, and then y'all look at this beautiful stove. Oh, I love it. This is where we have all the canned goods. The dish rack. These little things that you put stuff in, which are so cute. Me and Zaire built this. We put this together. Look how cute the little curtains is. And this is the one we have. Let me turn it on. Yeah, I love it. And then place bowls. Oh, place in the microwave. We got drawers with dish towels and silverware. And here's Baby K's and Journey's eating table and their chairs. I don't know why they're right here, but I'm gonna push them back over here just to get them out the way. Here's the refrigerator. And y'all look. Let me go tell Zaire to open the back door and look out. Zaire, open the back door and look out. Alright, you know. Yeah. Hi, Kiki. What are you doing?
Right. Look down.
What? Okay.
Look down.
Oh. Alright, so this is for them. Look, this is the snacks we have from them. We got these bagels. Y'all, these are so good. I don't know if y'all had these or not, but those are so good. Ice cream. And then y'all look, King on the Waters. We got Pepsi, milk, watermelon, butter. And yeah, but anyway, y'all, that is that.
Hey.
There goes Baby K. Hey, you on your own? Look at they bed. This is Baby K's and Zayya's sister's room, y'all. What you doing?
Watching the phone.
Okay. Hey, Ariel. So this is cute, y'all. They have the same bed, but just a different color, huh?
Mom, you know, you have to give me a 3 o'clock.
Okay, you go to sleep in here, and then I'm gonna come get you, okay? Okay. Bye, good night. Alright, let's go see. Alright, y'all, she probably asleep, so we'll just leave her alone. With his mom, and then we're down there, so.
Kevin, look, you gonna get down? You gonna get down? I'm stuck.
Alright.
You gonna get down?
What you think about that?
Can you get
You
down?
wanna do it?
Me and Kaylee were just sitting there laughing at you the whole time.
Teleporter.
I gotta. Anyways, yeah, so. This is the bed. What you doing? It's bedtime. Yeah, it's bedtime.
He got teleportation. So I saw him outside the window, and then when I came here, he was in here. He got teleportation.
Oh, I did.
I guess so. Anyway, you guys, so I guess we're gonna end this video.
Why are you climbing
You
me?
like
Why are you climbing me? Ouch.
and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when the Honor Family uploads next video. And Baby K. So, peace out.
The Honor Family. Thank you for the watching.
Lord, would you pick me to shine? I had the key to the golden gate to shine. I wouldn't dare you to cross that line.